Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I have been getting a lot of questions about how to trade meme coins on the BNB chain, so in this video I will walk you through everything you need to know. BNB meme coins are dominating right now. Even Binance founder CZ himself has been promoting some of these coins, which has pulled a lot of trading volume away from Solana. If we go to DEX Screener, we will see that roughly 90% of the top meme coins are on BNB. BNB coins run on the Binance Smart Chain, which means you can't trade them on regular Solana-based meme coin platforms, except on Axiom Pro and GMGN, for which I have created video tutorials on my channel. Watch those videos if you want to know how to trade BNB coins on those platforms. In this video we will use a Telegram bot that is designed for multi-chain trading. There are a few Telegram bots for BNB tokens out there, but the one I recommend is the Banana Gun bot and the Banana Sell bot, both trusted tools in the meme coin space. Banana Gun has over 800,000 active users with around 50,000 daily trades and 37 million average daily trading volume. That's a sign they are legit and reliable. Banana Gun is an EVM bot, which means it can be used on different networks including the Binance Smart Chain. To set up the bot, click the link in the description below and the bot will open in Telegram. Click Start and then create wallet or import wallet if you already have one. Name your wallet and save your private key. This is very important because it won't be shown again. Sharing your private key is the same as handing over your wallet and all your funds. Never share it with anyone. When done, we need to verify our sell bot. Put in /verify to verify your bot, and next we need to do the safeguard test. This is mandatory for almost all Telegram bots to verify that you're not a bot. When done, it will redirect you to the Banana Gun discussion group where you can get support if you have any questions about using the bot. Now we have to deposit some BNB into our wallet. Click on Settings, go to Transfer and Bridge Tokens, copy your wallet address by clicking on it and send BNB to this address from any exchange. When your wallet is funded, the bot is ready to use. The auto snipe allows you to set up a snipe right here. If you want to, you can read the manual. And then you have your manual buyer. Paste the token address you want to purchase and the bot will buy the token instantly. You can also bridge from another network, and in the settings you can change the gas fees, the wallet and safety settings, the presets and much more. Adjust your buy presets accordingly in the settings. You can check out trending BNB meme coins on DEX Screener. I recommend setting up a filter to weed out most of the scam coins. Select new pairs, click the age, and in the filter settings, I only want tokens with a minimum liquidity of 10,000. You will see a lot of Chinese coins because BNB tokens are very popular in China. If you find a good coin, open the chart, copy the token address and check it on honeypot.is to see if the token is legit. If the token gets flagged as a honeypot, then run away from it as fast as you can. You can view all the token details like the buy and sell fees, the amount of holders and much more. If a token is a honeypot, it means that you will not be able to sell the token, and if there is a tax fee, I would also not buy this token. Another good place to check your token is Token Sniffer. Enter the token address and you can view the bubble maps, see the creator wallet and all the wallets that are involved in the project. Do your own research to find out if the token is bundled or if there are any warnings, like if the top 10 holders' supply is higher than 20%, which means they can dump on you anytime. If the token looks safe, copy the address and go back to your Banana Gun Telegram bot. Click on Manual Buyer, paste the token address, choose your buy amount and the bot will execute the trade instantly. Your holdings will automatically appear in the Banana Sell bot, showing the profit or loss percentage, the market cap and the current value, and to sell all your tokens simply click Sell All Wallets. It's quick, easy and the safest way to trade BNB coins on Telegram. Remember to always double check the project before buying in, manage your risk, use smart filters and never invest more money than you can afford to lose. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I will try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get my latest videos first. See you in the next one and happy trading!